We're going to start with the butter first. I have to cream the sugar and this I'll give you a...
Oh, yeah, you have to cream the butter and sugar together.
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you sure you can use margarine instead of pure butter?
Yes, Abby, you can use sugar.
Margarine.
Yes, Abby, I use this. This is butter. Yeah? See, I'm gonna use butter today.
That's a lot of butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember I think they use so much butter to bake.
Yeah, man, you have to use a lot of butter. Yeah. You have to use a lot, say.
You don't put that one on the ground.
Yeah, that's okay, Abby. Just put it over here. And I'm just gonna use
molasses.
No.
Very molasses.
I'm just gonna use 1 spoon of sugar. Yeah, just this because I don't want my cake to be sweet. And I'm gonna go in with this now. This, you're gonna have to use this to cream this to cream it. Yeah. And you can go ahead and do the 3 eggs for me.
So just have to use this part?
Don't put the too big of it. Use a smaller. You can use 1 of this. Yeah. Browning. So you have to give it that dark look. Browning.
Does browning have any flavor in it?
You're gonna whip those 3 eggs for me.
Into the mixer?
No, you're gonna whip it out.
Oh, let me just wash my fingers off here.
Just take your time and whip it.
I don't know if I can whip it in this here though. I think you can probably whip them in the mixer though. Oh, okay, over there. Except that it's still spilling.
Yeah, that's okay. You just pour it in. Put it over here. And this is our zest. This is what they call zest. We have to like grate at the outside of the lime. Yeah. Like to cut the rawness of the egg because we did not take out the hide. Yeah. I'm gonna add it now. Yeah, that is our fruits. So you're gonna open that for me. You're gonna open it for me.
Okay.
Smells good. You're gonna use the wooden spoon. See here, Abby.
This one?
Yeah.
And it seems like it smells mixed with like rum in it. And
Yeah. You're gonna scrape out everything inside of this.
Okay.
Inside of the mixture. Just scrape it. Me make it from scratch, Abby.
What is it made out of? Sorrel? Sorrel is in it?
No.
You didn't put a sorrel in it?
I use wine, rum, and prune and fruits.
Ooh,
and orange peel.
Orange peel? No,
Yeah. Just scrape out everything, please.
I'm working on it. Okay. So these are all the wet ingredients, right?
Yeah, that's all the wet ingredients.
And that's all the mixing I need to do, or do I need to do more?
Mix it a little bit more.
Okay.
So we're gonna use like this is what 235 ml. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of this.
Okay.
1, 2, and we're gonna use a teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay.
Yeah, with that. Gonna add a little salt. This one is nutmeg and cinnamon. Yeah, nutmeg and cinnamon. We get them at Walmart. Said I'm just gonna.
I never saw that one at Walmart. I want that.
Yeah, they come like in package. So this is the dry ingredients.
Okay.
See, I'm gonna add it little by little.
Well, can I hold the mixer while you do it?
Yeah, man. We're just gonna feed
So
it.
you just want me to put it on 1 or 2?
Yeah, just put it on 2. But take your time, yeah? Take your time and smooth it.
Batter's looking a little bit dry. Do you need like water or anything in it?
No! Tell me, you have to watch me. You can't just assume say it dry. Just and I'm gonna add the rest. That's why the butter is good enough. The egg, give it that moist. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Now you clean away the sides. You see? You see it light and fluffy?
Yeah, there seems to be like a lot of air incorporated in it.
Yeah, because it's light and fluffy a bit, kinda. You're gonna rest the spoon in here.
Okay, let me just try and use a mixer to like scrape off some of the batter because I don't want to waste it.
Yeah. And then you start doing it back again.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I just start mixing it with the mixer?
Yeah. Let me add some more brownie. Stop it and let me add some more brown. I like it little bit darkish. Yeah. You're gonna mix it now.
Do you ever put raisins in this one?
Raisins, they have it. I told you that I blend the raisins, not throw and stuff.
Oh, I didn't remember what you said. Do you want me to just do this like that?
Yeah, man, I'm kind of brush it. You're going to go around the sides as the cake don't stick.
Did you ever put parchment paper on it?
No, we don't need a parchment paper.
Okay.
You're going to put that aside now.
Okay, put it to the side.
Yes, I'll be ready now. You pour out the stuff into the pan. You're gonna get a wooden spoon. Here it is. And you're gonna scrape it into the pan. Scrape it. Just come on, you're gonna hold it like so. Let me show you.
Okay.
Okay, now. Get out everything. Give me a small spoon, Abby.
The middle?
Yeah, man, just give me a small spoon.
Something like this?
Yes, Abby, man. Get off everything. I'm gonna shake it like this. Some people like they drop it on the surface, but I rather to shake it.
Because it might be too loud, right?
Yeah, some people shake it and like drop it on the surface, but I don't like it. I rather to shake it like this. Yes, guys, I rather to shake it like this. So we're gonna be baking this for 1 hour and 10 minutes.
I sort of time. Oh, I don't have my phone.
You say, Abby?
I don't have my phone. I was gonna set a timer.
Don't worry, man. So we're gonna put it in the oven now.
Mm-hmm.
This the water bath is at the bottom, so you just leave
And
it.
it's gonna hydrate the cake.
Yeah, man, and make the cake soft. Yeah. This one is done now. And the turn over goes on. Yes, guys, this is it. Yeah, man.
Are you gonna cut me out the piece?
Yeah, man, you can't come to piece now.
Let me take off my
Because it's a bit soft. So you can't be hungry, me just want to eat something. So yes, guys, thanks for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.
Is that gonna be your thumbnail?
I'll be mom.